Hello class 9. I KN Mishra welcome all of you in online classes of biology once again. Class at present we are studying the fundamental unit of life. As all of you know that cells are the fundamental unit of life. Many cells are combined together to make tissue, many tissues are combined together to make organ, and many organ are combined together to make organ system. Many organ system, when combined, they make the complete body. Inside the cell, many cytoplasmic organelles are embedded in the cytoplasm, as I have already explained. Now, about these cytoplasmic organelles, we are studying at present. In my previous online class, I have told you about Golgi apparatus, or Golgi complex. This Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex was invented first of all by Camillo Golgi. On the name of this scientist, the name Golgi apparatus is here. The basic function of Golgi apparatus is storage, packaging and modifications in the material. The main function of Golgi apparatus is storage, packaging and modification of the material. This is the main function. Golgi apparatus is looking like this, somewhat like this. Golgi apparatus is made up of vesicles which are flattened sacs. These vesicles are flattened sacs-like structures, and two vesicles are connected through a tube-like arrangement, which are known as cisternae. Class, it is very interesting to keep this thing in your mind that sometimes these vesicles are cut off from here. Sometimes these vesicles become cut off from here. Then what happened? हम इसको अलग से बनाते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर अलग हो जाएगा. इसका एक पीस है ये, ठीक है. अब इसके भीतर क्या भरा हुआ होता है? इसके भीतर डाइजेस्टिव जूस भरा होता है, डाइजेस्टिव जूस. तब इसी स्ट्रक्चर को अब हम कहते हैं लाइसोसोम. लाइसोसोम. तो एक फंक्शन गोल्जी apparatus का ये भी हो गया. गोल्जी apparatus इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर गिव राइज न्यू लाइसोसोम्स इन एनी सेल्स. क्लियर हुआ? यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लाइसोसोम के बारे में और जान लेते हैं. आपकी बुक में अगली हेडिंग है लाइसोसोम. लाइसोसोम्स आर मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड स्ट्रक्चर, and they are filled with very strong digestive juices, very strong digestive enzymes. जब आपको अमीबा में डाइजेशन हम बता रहे थे तो हमने आपको बताया था कि लाइसोसोम्स आर नोन एज suicidal bag in case of amoeba, because when accidentally these lysosomes burst in the body of amoeba, then the enzymes present inside the lysosome digest the body of amoeba. Because of this reason, in case of amoeba, lysosomes are known as suicidal bags. Clear? Now, lysosomes are useful or responsible for digestion. This is only the role. And second role of lysosome is they are responsible for excretion to some extent also, because they digest the harmful substances present in the cell, and they are responsible to excrete out from the body these materials, these toxic materials. So the toxic material present inside the cell may sometime release out the body with the help of these lysosomes. Clear? Now, this is the role of lysosome in our body, and after that mitochondria is given. As you know, students, that mitochondria are known as powerhouse of the cell, because it releases energy in the form of ATP in any living cell, and these mitochondria contains These are double membranous structure. First of all, I want to tell you mitochondria are double membranous structure, and various organs of various parts of mitochondria are known as cristae, which are finger-like projection. On these cristae, oxysomes are present, where oxidation of glucose takes place and ATP releases. Because of this reason, mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Class, about mitochondria we will study in later online classes in very detail, and your today's homework is draw diagram of Golgi apparatus. Your diagram should very neat and very clean, well labeled. Clear? Revise about Golgi apparatus and lysosome. This is your homework for today. Stay home, be safe, class 9. Thank you.